During a new employee's orientation, there's certain times when you want to send them written content, when you want to spell out every little detail, but there's other times when video is the most efficient and the most personal medium for delivering your onboarding or your training. So when should you use video? First, use video for anything that's really personal. If you want to be casual and you want to be interactive and you want to be engaging, video is a really easy way to get someone to listen to the message rather than skim through it and maybe miss some steps. It's also a great way for them to get to know you. So if your business has some personality or a specific culture, video is a great way to bring that to life and give them some additional context about the business that they might just not get from the words. So when you start using video for onboarding, you don't need to overcomplicate it. It can be as simple as holding up a camera phone and recording yourself, hopefully in the horizontal mode, so that you can then post that video into a system like Trainual or upload it to a video sharing site and share it from there. If you're not using your phone, you can just as easily use a webcam or a screen recording tool to capture you in front of your computer in your environment, just being natural. Now, the first video I always like to use with an employee when they're onboarding is a simple welcome to the company. This is just you saying, hey, you've made it through our hiring process, you went through all the rounds of interviews, and we agreed that you're gonna be a great fit, which is why you're watching this video. We can't wait to work with you. Here's all the cool things you're gonna get to experience at the company, and here's what's to come in your training and onboarding process. A simple video like that might take 30 or 60 seconds to record, but by recording it, you know that each new hire is gonna get the same introduction to the company, the same experience. So you don't have to show up one day at the same level that you show up every time a new hire starts. You can just record once and know that you're gonna get that same consistent experience over and over again. So recording videos is a really great way to communicate. It's easier, it's faster oftentimes than writing, and it lives on forever once you put it into your onboarding or training process.